Welcome to Honda Aircraft Company's global headquarters, located in Greensboro, North Carolina. Our 133-acre campus consists of 5 main buildings with 737,000 square feet of indoor space. Here, in one integrated location for all of our essential operations, we're able to bring our designers, engineers, and technicians together to bring Honda's dream of flight to reality.
Located just across from the R&D facility or production building is a spacious 258,800 square feet where every part that goes into a HondaJet is carefully organized and assembled on the production line. The facility is impeccably clean and brightly lit with technicians dressed in white uniforms just like at all Honda factories. This comes from the philosophy that good products come from clean workplaces. The production process starts with the delivery of the composite fuselage, which we work on to add substructure to the sides and floor. The wings are manufactured at a separate facility on our campus and then brought over to the main building. The engines are provided by our partner, GE Honda Aero. We then use a mating rig to attach the fuselage, wings, pylons, engines, and empennage. Once the landing gear is in place, we can then move the aircraft to the next stage. At this point, the aircraft starts to resemble a finished product. We begin the process of installing the main systems that make the aircraft operational. This includes running wire harnesses as well as attaching the baggage doors, main entry, and emergency exit doors.
The aircraft completion process begins with a paint process. First, we move the aircraft to the prep bay and sand its body to prepare for painting. Our technicians carefully apply masking to protect certain areas from overspray. Then we move the aircraft to the paint booth, where our state-of-the-art robot applies paint to specific areas according to a predetermined program. The robot's precision ensures that the paint thickness is consistent across the entire body. Once the color has been applied, the aircraft receives a clear coat, marking the final step of the painting process. With the exterior of the aircraft completed and freshly painted, it's time to move on to the interior. In this hangar, our skilled interiors team will install all the components based on the configuration chosen by the customer, paying close attention to ensure everything is just right.
Once the aircraft has been fully assembled and painted, it arrives here in production flight test hangar for the final stage of completion and pre-delivery inspection process. This is where it will undergo extensive function testing to ensure that it meets Honda's high standards of quality. This includes conducting an engine run where we'll start the engine for the first time and the aircraft comes to life. We also thoroughly evaluate every system on the aircraft, including the fuel distribution, pressurization, hydraulic, de-icing, navigation, and radio systems. After the aircraft has completed its test flights and passed our performance standards, it is ready for delivery to the customers.
Hello and welcome to the Honda Aircraft Delivery Center, where our customers see their finished aircraft for the first time, and their dreams of owning the HondaJet become a reality. As they enter the hangar, customers are greeted by our leadership team and associates from across the company. Also, with their HondaJet placed in the center of the room on our one-of-a-kind turntable, customers are able to truly appreciate the beauty of their aircraft from every angle. These deliveries are extremely important to us. They allow us to hold a special ceremony where we can show our appreciation to both our customers and associates. We welcome our customers into the HondaJet family and acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our team in the completion of another aircraft.
One of the first places customers come after taking delivery of their HondaJet is right here. Flight Safety works closely with Honda Aircraft to tailor training to meet the needs of every customer. Our HondaJet training facility is located on the Honda Aircraft campus right here in Greensboro. On site, we have classrooms with desktop simulation, or DTS, where we familiarize students with the HondaJet's avionics. Pilots will train in the classroom for approximately 1 week before moving on to the GFS. GFS stands for Graphical Flight Simulator. This system has a layout much closer to that of an actual HondaJet. This valuable tool is available to pilots to practice and train on 24/7 during their time here for training. Finally, clients move on to train in our Level D full flight simulator. We have 2 simulators on site here in Greensboro and 1 located in Farnborough in the UK. The cockpit is an exact duplicate of what you'll find in a HondaJet. We only use OEM parts for the cockpit construction, so it is just like sitting in the real thing. After successfully completing the HA420 initial course, pilots are fully type rated in the aircraft. Both Flight Safety and Honda Aircraft Company are committed to creating a training program for pilots that promotes flying HondaJets at the highest level of safety and proficiency.
Located alongside headquarters is our research and development building. This facility houses some of the most exciting areas of engineering where our talented teams design, test, and improve new aircraft components and software. R&D is comprised of the flight test department, the Advanced Systems Integration Test Facility, the Structural Test Lab, and the Interior Design Department. Here behind me is one of the core pieces of our R&D operations, the flight test hangar. Here we have a team dedicated to evaluating new hardware and software by testing them on actual aircraft under real-world conditions. We conduct multiple flights and subject the aircraft to different extreme environments to ensure it performs well in all conditions. Working alongside the flight test department is our Advanced System Integration Test Facility, or ASITF, which plays a crucial role in enhancing aircraft safety and accelerating new development. This facility is equipped with advanced technology that allows us to test and evaluate different systems in a simulated replica environment. This way, we're able to identify and address any potential issues prior to implementation.
This is the Structural Test Lab located here within R&D. Here, an experienced team of test engineers use state-of-the-art technology to perform rigorous airframe structure tests. This test rig behind me will simulate thousands of hours of real-world use on an airframe through pre-programmed scenarios. This is how we ensure that our aircraft are structurally safe well beyond the flight hours of an in-service aircraft. Also, housed here is our Interior Design Department. They spend hours researching and testing materials to the strictest of aircraft standards while maintaining uncompromised aesthetics.
Welcome to Honda Aircraft Customer Service. The over 90,000 square feet facility was built in 2013. Customer service is the home of many Honda aircraft teams that support HondaJet customers all over the world. Here in our service center, we maintain, repair, and upgrade customer aircraft. The hangar floor is almost 38,000 square feet and can fit up to a maximum of 18 aircraft at one time. The Greensboro Service Center is part of our global network of authorized service centers. Customers can visit any location for all of their maintenance needs. Our customer service facility boasts a beautiful customer lounge, meeting rooms, and private spaces for pilots and customers to conduct business and relax while they wait. Our parts warehouse is over 20,000 square feet of space, storing inventory to support our global HondaJet fleet. We carry more than 6,000 unique part numbers, valued at over $30 million. We have a 24/7 technical and field support team that is available around the clock for our customers. Customers and pilots can call in with questions about their aircraft and receive expert advice from our team. Our authorized service center network works directly with tech support for troubleshooting and unique repairs. Our customer service team is committed to ensuring the best aircraft ownership experience.